Conventional economics tells us that if the gross national product grows enough, there will be a trickle-down effect and the poor will be less poor. It is true that there is a trickle-down effect, but not necessarily of money. Here we have an example of trickle-down of garbage.
When economics was first thought up, no one considered garbage. The formula said money, labor and machines would create goods and services. There was no mention of disappearing resources or increasing waste. So who was to predict the lives of the garbage people?
Nosotros trabajamos aquí en el papel, salimos a las 6 de la mañana y llegamos como a las 9. Y con esto tenemos el sustento para los hijos y ganamos por lo menos 800, 900 pesos diarios. Y con esto estamos aquí luchando. Un saludo para Arica. Un saludo para Arica. De Arica. Vamos. Llevamos mucho tiempo, como 7 años por acá. Y siempre hemos arrancado de la policía, de los pacos. Entonces no teníamos dónde llegar. Y tomamos como aquí para hacer unos rucos y como un terreno aquí. Y aquí estamos y empezamos a armar ruquitos. Varias veces han venido, lo han echado, pero seguimos aquí porque no tenemos dónde llegar.
Manfred gave me ideas about the fundamental human needs, which I've turned into a map. We have the needs of food and shelter, security and protection, affection, to participate and share, to understand, to create, to reflect, sense of identity, and a freedom of choice. Now, we have the good news and the bad news in every situation. First, let's look at those paper merchants down in Santiago. Yes, they had food and shelter. They had the security and protection of each other. They were obviously, there was plenty of affection. They participated, they had to work together. They understood their own situation. They were creative, and how. They had plenty of opportunity to reflect on their way of life. And they had their own sense of identity, and they had the freedom of choice. But wait a minute. The shelter leaked. They were obvious. They had no protection from the police, who knocked down the shelters time and time again. They had no affection from the society at large. Very, very few other people understood them. Others wished they had no sense of identity, and others would have taken away their freedom. So that's the sort of map of their experience as I see it.